Righto, so we're just down here with the young fella. We're going to do a bit of fishing today, put the crab pots in and have a real quick fish. I'm going to be using hand lines, he's going to be using rod and reel. We'll see who can pull off the best fish, so let's get into it. Some bait through my net and I just felt something big splashing around heavy. Have a look at this. This bloody huge flatty. Absolutely hurler.
What? That's a big one.
What a cracker.
That's like a cracker, hey Dad? What is it? A big one. I'm trying to see this, hey Daddy.
Oh yeah, keep filming mate, keep filming.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? Alright, let's see if we can get him. He's very green.
I'm good. I got.
Oh yeah. Alright.
And filming home.
Yeah, just keep filming.
Well, this is a big one. I'm gonna stay back really. Back. So Dad, you can get him out.
Absolute cracker of a flatty.
Oh yes.
It'd be, oh well no, it'd be 50 centimetres. We'll give him a measure. Come over here, Hux. Oh, right on 50 centimetres. Holy hell.
So we can keep it?
Oh yeah, we absolutely can. What do you want to do? We're going to keep him, you reckon?
Yep.
Yeah, righto, we'll keep him. Oh, that's awesome. Unlucky for this fella, but yeah, I'd love some fish at home, so we'll keep him. Awesome. Yeah, so you do have to be careful, they are sharp. Nasty. Right, quick way to put these flathead out of misery is just hang their head over an esky, push down on their back, and then one hand on the head, just push it straight down until you hear it snap. And then that's it, he's lights out.
I've got a string to cover. Get it.
And look at that, we've got a crab.
There's a big one.
Woo! Yep, there's a keeper.
I didn't get it out of bag. Good job. Hey Dad. Filming you. Oh.
There you go.
I'm filming.
Good little sand crab, blue swimmer. So we'll just give him a quick measure anyway, but it's definitely legal.
Dad, you don't measure with the fish thing. Hey Dad.
This is a crab measure. Yeah.
Daddy wants to go. He's angry.
Yeah. No, he's definitely legal.
Legal means we can keep it. Hey Dad.
Yeah, we can keep him alright.
Dad, we have to make it dead. So it doesn't
Nah, it's alright. You can just have a little
nap. Hey Daddy.
sleep in there, little nap, yeah. Yeah, no real luck with the fishing, so we'll just come home, have a feed, and we'll head back out tomorrow and check the pots. Righto, second day, time to go check these pots. Bloody keen to see what we got. It's a beautiful day. Those things. Righto, so first pull, no good. Just a heap of Jenny sand crabs, which is a shame.
When them go into a daddy, we can keep them. Hey Dad.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, some weed fell into the water. Yeah, Dad.
Righto. We might as well throw our bait back. See you, mate. I thought we were gonna get a heap in that pot, but obviously not.
I'll try that one.
But
Yuck.
oh, we got some weed and some baby crappy crabs. Unreal. Oh, what a waste.
What a waste.
What a waste of good bait. Yeah, right, we're going to try our luck at a bit of fishing. The crabbing was a complete failure. 3 pots had nothing in them and we're missing one. And where we're missing one, there's still crab pots all around it, so I didn't wash away. So someone's either run it over or she's been stolen. So we'll go back at dead low tide and have a quick look, but for now we'll see if we can catch a fish, eh? What do you reckon? You just want to go home? Unreal.
Look, we reeled it up.
Oh, a Moses perch.
Now, what are those black things?
A big one of them, be alright? You got something or not?
Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, you do. That's him. Keep reeling him in. Oh, a brim. Nice work. Oh, mine's come off. Righto, mate, swing him over this way. You can.
Daddy,
Oh.
I had to pull it up because I couldn't
Yeah, let me just
pull it up.
get this one out of the boat.
Oh yeah, this is the best
A
thing.
bit bigger and he'll be in trouble, eh, mate?
Yeah. Mine's
Oh,
good. Mine's good to keep.
Good.
Hey, Dad.
No, he's a bit small. Hold this and I'll pull him off. Pikey brim. Can you see this?
Yeah. Oh, it went away.
Bit bigger, yeah.
Good.
Oh!
We need to hang
Taxi! Woo!
Ooh, that's,
Woo! Look at that!
that's an even big one. Hey, Dad, it's bigger than the last one we caught.
Oh, it was. I think it was recording and then I turned it off. Ah, he swallowed it and he's bleeding out a bit, so he will be coming home with us. But he is a good flatty. Hell yeah, that is awesome. Give it a thumbs up, yeah. So there we have it. The young fella just got a bloody beautiful bar-tailed flathead. We'll give it a quick measurement, but it'd be probably a good 45 centimetres. He's 48 centimetres. That's bloody good, mate.
Yeah, we can keep
Hey?
it.
Yeah, well, I hope so. I've already helped him with that. Oh, now, mate, come on, put him in the esky. My man,
Yeah,
good
Dad,
job.
we just have to get this out.
Yeah, well, you put him in the esky first, and then you open it. I'll show you. Put him in there.
And
And you squeeze that, pull these things back here like that, pull them back. Yeah, and then shake him. Good job, my man.
now we can
High five.
okay.
Yeah.
And now we just have to call him and tell him what
So-
I caught.
I don't know, remember what I was saying yesterday, but I said me and a young fella have a bit of competition. I'll use the hand line, he uses a rod. And if he beat me, got a better fish, I said I'd get him something good, like a little surprise. And unless I can get a fish in the next half hour, 45 minutes, then yeah, we'll see how we go anyway.
Yeah, Dad.
Maybe I won't put any bait on yours.
Yeah.
Put yours in with no bait?
Yeah. Ah, you tricked me, yeah.
Yeah, I'll trick you. Yeah, righto, let's get into it. Hey, what do they say? No bananas in the boat, you don't catch fish. Oh, what the hell?
What is it?
I don't know, man. But why do you keep catching them? Oh, good brim.
I'm a pretty good catcher. Hey, Dad.
Yeah, I know. What's going on? I'm
He's
not
not
getting
good.
any.
He's not getting past me. Hey, Dad. That's the one who's been taking my bait. Hey, Dad.
Hold the camera over. Look at this. Yes. He's legal too, but should we let this one go?
No.
No?
Let's
Man, you kids don't ever want to let anything go.
No, that's because we want to keep them for a pet fish.
You can't keep it as a pet fish. You either take it home and eat it, or you
Yeah, we can
Come over
keep
here.
it for a
I'll
pet
measure
fish.
film it. So, young fella just got this one, 25 centimetres, but I think we let him go because there's not that much meat on him. He's pretty small.
Yeah, but...
We'll let him go. We already got a big fish in the esky. So...
Yeah, Dad.
Do you want to try and let him go?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because I've been always wanting to try it out.
Alright. That's him. Walk over there. And lower him to the water. And dip him in. And oh, lovely.
You see that?
Yeah. Yeah, he's a big one, mate.
He's heavy.
Yeah, he's heavy. It's...
I have those...
Good brim. Good brim.
That's
Really good brim.
Bigger. Get it, Dad. Yeah.
Oh, Huxley.
Look at really strong muscles, hey.
Hold that string up.
Yeah.
Wrap it around. Yeah. Hold that up higher. If you can. Yeah, boy. What the hell? That's a good brim.
You can keep it.
Nah, we'll let him go.
No.
Oh.
Nah, I don't want to keep it.
Want to keep him?
Yeah. Yeah, so we can take it home.
Then goes another one. Good job, man. What do you say?
Yeah, uh-oh, this dude. Oh, Dad, look.
What?
Film it, hurry, hurry.
Ah,
Go on my boat.
filling the boat that we don't have. There's a few big ones coming through every now and then. It's not on my hook, that's for sure. So we've looked bloody absolutely everywhere. Used the side scanner and everything, and no crab pots, so pretty positive someone's nicked it. Bit disappointing, but anyway, you get that, I suppose. Get that on these big jobs. So yeah, we'll head home, fill it up these fish. Yeah, cook something up. Well,